Still keep looking up like it's gonna make something. Man, it was nice and sunny when it came out. Now it's all perfect timing, I guess. No, because it's getting colder. Good thing that the wind didn't pick up, so at least it's not windy. But squirrel. It's always weird when I'm flying the quad and then I hear movement around me because I can't see anything. So I'm right there. But I can definitely hear either a squirrel or if something falls down or stuff that is not close to where I'm flying. So I have no idea what the hell. Oh, there we go, squirrel. See, I know there was something. When people walk by that I don't have to hear it again. And that's the squirrel I just saw. Or I hear dog barking or people talking or something. It's weird. See, that's the squirrel that I'm... Okay. That's what I'm hearing. And I got distracted because it moved close to me. Alright. Concentrate, Daniel-san. Oof.